What's up, everybody? So, today I will be showing you how to make money flipping NFTs, and this is method number one. We call it the floor price method. But before I show you what to do, the secret, and how a lot of people are making it killing on it, I want you to subscribe, comment, and stay up to date, because that's the only way for you to stay up to date with what I am releasing. So let's do that. Okay. First thing we want to do, we're at Opensea and we're going to go to explore. After you go to explore, this is what you want to do. There's going to be lots of NFTs here. Now you want to sort by recently listed. Okay. Recently listed. So these are the people that just listed their NFT. So this is not planned. I have no idea in terms of what these are. I never even heard of this one. Crypto Cado Art Club. Fundamental Fox. Okay. Let's look at this Fundamental Fox. So right now it is selling for 0.02. So what we want to do is you go over here and you split. So the floor right now is 0.02. What you want to do is you want to go buy now. When you find buy now, right here, bang. So if you buy these right now and you list them for 0.02, then you will make a profit. Simple as that. Now you can do these with any projects. You can do these with no utilities, because some people they have a different way of investing and different strategies to make money in NFTs. This is just a quick flip method. So right here, boom, our first one. See how easy it is? You can easily find lots of these. So 0.0195, we buy it, boom, list it for floor price 0.02, boom, we made a profit right there. See, it is that simple. Now let's do it again. We just go to marketplace and you sort by recently listed. That's just example number one. Let's just find something that it's, see, I've seen this Fox Fams, Moon Boys. Oh, these ones are going crazy right now. I actually put myself for the pre-sale, but there are so many people. Now the floor price is 6, so this guy's making a killing. I believe it was 0.02 to mint, and look at the price now, 6.5. That is a big. Now he can hold this and see where it goes, or if he takes it out, sells it, makes a quick buck right there. That's a good flip right there. Let's see. Knights of Degen. Let's click this one. I've never seen this one before, but so right now 0.03. What is 0.03? So let's go buy now. 0.018. See, this is the floor price. See, this one is not a good candidate in terms of what we want to buy. There's the floor price. Let's just go back. Okay, let's go back again. And that's it. It's simple. Now let's just cunning foxes. Let's see what else is there. Top it. Fly frog. Z run. Let's look at Bordeaux. Yacht Club. Movie Pirates. Rich Kids. Okay, let's just do this one. Right now it's at 3 ETH. And wow. Let's go buy now. 0.05. Nope. These are not good candidate. This is not a good candidate for us to flip. So as you can see, it's a simple method, but it is going to take some time because of you want to make sure that you're doing, let's go to your research. You just go, let's click this one and see. Ooh, lazy lines. Whoa, this looks cool. Gen X. Okay, let's see what this project is doing. 0.075. And let's check out the floor price. So, let's see buy now. No, this is not a good candidate for us to flip, as you can see. But that's pretty much it. Very simple method. Just go to Opensea, go to the marketplace. So by recently listed, bang, and then once you click on the project, okay, you 0.011 is selling for right there, boom, and you click buy now, 0.011, and it's going for 0. Well, obviously, you know, there's ones where you're going to find with big profit, and there's ones where you're going to see where it's just break even. But what we do have to consider is the gas price. So making sure when you calculate your NFTs, the ones that you're buying, making sure that it is going to include the gas price. And if you want to check the gas prices, we just go to gasnow.org. Yes. Boom, right there. This is the gas price right now. So that's pretty much it. Pretty straightforward. Easy way. This is the fastest way to flip NFTs. In terms of the strategy, there's other ones, but this is the most simple and easiest one to do. Now, if you want to find out more about how you can make some bank in NFTs, then follow, subscribe, and you know what to do. Peace. This is Crypto Cartel, or should I say NFT Cartel, signing out.